This video will show you how to rip DVD to MKV losslessly. Firstly, you need to install Joyoshare Video Converter. Next, insert the DVD disc to your computer's drive. There are two ways to load DVD files. The first one is clicking the Load DVD. The second one is clicking Load DVD and then select DVD files from the drop-down list. We here will just load the DVD files by clicking the Load DVD. Supports multi-subtitle and multi-track video files. You can select all audio and subtitles, or choose one of them. Now, you can press the Format button. Choose high-speed mode to rip the DVD file rapidly and losslessly. There are many formats here. Please select MKV. Click OK. You can click the Convert button to convert the DVD to MKV. However, if you want to edit the video before conversion, you can click Format again. Then tick Encoding mode. In this mode, you can customize file format, quality, and codec. You can select formats from devices: HD video, web video, general video, and general audio. We will pick MKV from the general video. You can tap the small gear icon to change the codec, frame rate, resolution, bitrate. You can edit the video now. Tap the Edit button. You can trim a video, crop area size, add effect, customize watermark, add subtitle, adjust the audio. If you don't need to edit the DVD video, you can skip this step. Go back to the Format window and choose High Speed mode. Finally, if you need it, you can merge all videos into one by ticking this option. Press the Convert button to convert DVD to MKV. You can click the Converted option to check the final MKV videos. You can watch the video on the program and take a snapshot.